Well, this year was great as it saw tremendous growth for my collection. But with great amount of items comes great responsibility, namely how to present all these things. This shelf here features specifically the handhelds and ultra portables. Though I had that many things just lying around that I had to go over the shelf, not only doing a long time needed dust removal, but rearranging things a bit. To start with, I wanted to insert another tray, for which I had to enlarge the mounting holes to match the support pins. And then, eventually, I was starting to move things back in, whether that be the late 1980s Atari portfolios or the HP 200LX, which indeed can run Microsoft Windows 3.0. My collection in the meantime also features the Sharp PC 3100, later generations of the HP 600LX series, a few Windows CE handhelds, various Sony UMPCs and a variation of netbooks. I never thought though that I'd get hold of this one here, which is a Psion netbook. Now, except for the name, this has nothing to do with the later mid-2000 netbooks, as it predates those by around 7 years. And so here we are with my freshly revamped shelf showcasing many handheld devices and ultra portable machines from the period from around 1990 to around 2010. I'm the Vintage Collector and this was my short Advent time story for today. Thanks for watching and see you again tomorrow. If you check out this channel's community tab, you'll find some polls on potential upcoming videos. You're very welcome to upvote on upcoming topics or drop in new ones you'd like me to chase down.